So guys, look, this channel has uploaded just 48 videos, and it has already reached 4.42 million subscribers. And if you check their videos, almost all of them have millions of views. In fact, some videos have even crossed 100 million views. If you look at this particular video, it alone has 212 million views, and guys, 212 million views are more than enough to get any channel monetized. But here's the crazy part. Videos like these usually take a full team, expensive software, and weeks of production to create. So the question is, what if you could create something like this without spending on models, cameras, or long editing hours? Let me show you how you can create it completely for free. So guys, to make videos like this, everything starts inside RoboNeo. You just describe your idea. For example, create a 30-second script for a kid's 3D cartoon video, and RoboNeo will generate a full script for you, including scenes, structure, and storytelling. Now, what you need to do is simply copy it. After copying, you need to go back. By the way, guys, I'll include the link in the description, so no need to worry about finding it. And guys, this is not just an AI agent. It's a creative partner where you can simply chat like normal and generate your content. It basically acts like your social media creative mate, helping you think, plan, and create high-performing content or ads and videos. So guys, here you'll see a lot of options. We'll talk about that later. At the top of the prompt box, you'll see a workflow option and Canvas. For now, we'll use Canvas, so let's click on Canvas. And guys, if you scroll down, you'll see a lot of references and templates. You can easily reuse them. For example, let me click on this one and show you. And look, on the side, there's a recreate option. If I click on it, I can reuse this template. So that's pretty useful. Now, let's scroll back up. We'll use this later. So guys, after that, you'll see a lot of options here. The first option is skills. Here, you'll find a lot of styles that you can use easily, so you won't face any issues. This is great when you want fast results without building everything from scratch. After that, you'll see Seedance 2.0, which is available in only a few AI models right now. And it's available here, which is pretty awesome. This Seedance 2.0 model can generate full videos from text, including visuals, voice, and music together, and even maintain consistency across multiple shots, which is very important for cinematic storytelling. And guys, if you want to generate ads, you can simply use the design option. That means you can create not just videos, but full ad creatives, posters, and social media content in one place. But for now, since we want to create a cartoon video, we won't select any of these. We'll simply choose script to film. Now, we'll paste our script and hit enter. Now, this AI agent will automatically select everything for us, the best model and the best style. This is where the agent mode comes in. It actually helps you make creative decisions instead of you doing everything manually. Now, it begins processing, and in a few seconds, it will ask you to confirm if everything looks good for your video. Now, guys, just type, yeah, continue. And as soon as you hit enter, your video will start generating. And as you can see, it has already generated the first segment here. Notice how each shot looks cinematic and consistent. This is because it can learn from references and maintain the same style across scenes. And if you want to make any adjustments, you can simply tell the AI. But for me, it looked fine, so I just typed, yeah, continue. Again, to generate the next segment, after a short time, it will again ask you if the first segment looks good. If everything, like effects and visuals, looks fine, just hit continue. Otherwise, you can make adjustments. Since it looked good to me, I simply selected looks good and continued. And guys, within a few seconds, it will generate your full video. And this includes everything of visuals, background music, voice, and editing, all combined automatically. Let's review the final result.
From tomorrow, I will change my life.
Tomorrow never comes. Just work for 2 minutes, then do whatever you want. Start with 2 minutes. 2 minutes, it becomes a habit. Consistency beats motivation.
Will you wait for tomorrow or start now?
And as you can see, the quality is amazing. This looks like it was created by a professional Blender user, not just a basic AI-generated clip. If you try to create this kind of video using normal tools, it takes a lot of time and costs a lot of money, but with this, you can do it in just a few seconds. So compared to traditional production, this is faster, cheaper, and much easier to execute. Now guys, this was just a 30-second example, but you can generate longer videos as well. You can even create content in multiple formats, like 16:9, 9:16, or 1:1, depending on your platform, whether it's YouTube, Reels, or ads. Now guys, let's review one of the templates. For that, let's go back, go down and click on this template. I think this one looks good. Now guys, click on Recreate. Here you just need to add your reference image. This is where multi-reference learning comes in. You can upload images or videos to guide the output and get more controlled results. You don't need to add it in the prompt because it's already included. Just upload your image there. Then simply click on Run. And guys, as soon as you click on Run, you'll see a pop-up notification. Click on the View button there. Now your video is being generated. And guys, finally, our video is ready. Now let's review it, and as you can see, the quality looks even more amazing. Everything looks good, and that's how you can go from a simple idea to a full high-quality video using RoboNeo. If you want to try this yourself, check the link in the description, and I've also shared my workflow there so you can follow along.